What if I told you that you don't need a team? You don't necessarily need a team. You don't necessarily need investors. And definitely, you don't need a perfect plan. What you do need is a clear strategy to actually build a profitable business from scratch. I mean, starting from today. In this video, I am going to walk you through the 6 exact steps you need to build a simple idea or turn a simple idea into a real income. Whether you're just starting, whether you are trying to grow your business as a solo entrepreneur. These are the same fundamentals. These are the same exact steps used by companies like Uber, used by companies like Canva, Airbnb, Amazon, and other companies. By the end of this video, you will know how to spot profitable problems and build the right kind of solution. Get paying customers without begging or burning out, and most importantly, scale without chaos. So, if you are tired of guessing, stuck in research mode, or wondering why things aren't clicking, watch this video all through to the end. Let's build your profitable business the smart way. Welcome to CJC's Motivation. After many years of solo entrepreneurship and years of navigating the challenges and successes of startup business, and I will help entrepreneurs and business leaders to shift their mindset so that they can build and scale their businesses. You see, building a highly profitable business is simple in theory, but far from easy in practice. And maybe right now it is just you, your laptop, your notebook full of ideas, and a dream that won't leave you alone, the dream that is always there. But here is what I want to tell you today. Building a highly profitable business is not a mystery. There is no magic about it. It is not reserved for the lucky ones. It is not reserved for those who are connected. It is not definitely reserved for those who are already wealthy. It is about following a clear set of fundamentals. These are key fundamentals that every successful entrepreneur follows. Let me break down these 6 essential steps that every profitable business uses to turn an idea into income. Okay, step number 1. Start with a pen. Start with a pen point. Every profitable business begins by solving a real specific problem. Every great business, every one of them, started with saying, or someone saying, "This is annoying. This is broken. Why hasn't anybody fixed it yet?" Think about some of the most successful companies today, like Amazon. What did they do? They tackled the inconvenience of going from store to store by letting people shop everything from one place and have it delivered fast. How about Uber? Uber made waiting for taxis obsolete by letting you book a ride from your house or from your phone in minutes. Netflix eliminated the hassles of waiting for DVDs in the mail by bringing on-demand streaming to your screen. What about even the shoes we wear? As basic as they are, they solve the problem, the original problem of having a dirty feet and injured feet. How about Airbnb? Airbnb solved the problem of expensive and impersonal hotel stays by letting people rent unique homes, and rooms around the world. Do we want to talk about Spotify? Spotify ended the pain of buying music album by offering you unlimited streaming from a low monthly fee. And Zoom, of course, made virtual meetings simple and reliable, especially at the time where remote working or working from home or remotely exploded. So the question is, what do these companies have in common? They each identified a frustrating or inefficiency, and then they offered a simpler and faster or even more affordable way to deal with it. If you already, or if you can clearly define a pen or a pen point, you are halfway to building a solution people will pay for. So you have to ask yourself, what problem can I solve? What frustrates me and others enough that they can pay or they would pay to make it go away? Then that is where everything starts. If you can figure out all that. Okay, step number 2, you now create a solution that works. Once you have identified the pain point, it is time to build a solution. And here is the key, my friend. Your solution doesn't need to be revolutionary. It just needs to work. It should solve the problem in a way that is effective, in a way that it is user-friendly, and ideally a little different from what already is out there. I want to remind you, you are not trying to invent a new planet, not at all. You are just building a bridge over one specific gap. You see, you have to build a minimum viable product, MVP. Keep it simple, my friend. Keep it effective, functional. Then get it in front of people fast. Remember, done is better than perfect. Then we move to step number 3. Validate the market. Before you go all in, you need to make sure people will actually pay for what you are offering. And this is where a lot of passionate entrepreneurs get stuck. You fall in love with your idea. Of course, we all fall in love with our idea, and then we spend months building it, and then no one buys. Why? Because no one wanted it in the first place. Ouch. Let me say this loud and clearly. If people aren't willing to pay for whatever you're building, you don't have a business. You just have a passion or a passionate, or a passion project. That is what you have. So before you start building big, test it small. You can validate, the demand for whatever you're building through, number 1, maybe pre-selling your product or service, or number 2, running tests to measure, interest. Number 3, interviewing your ideal customers. Or number 4, do a crowdfunding platform, like Kickstarter. You see, the goal is to establish proof of demand before you invest too heavily in building what you want to build. You don't need 1,000 yeses. You just need a few to know that you are on the right track. So my friend, if this kind of content helps you, go ahead and tap that subscribe button, and so that you don't miss future videos on building and scaling your business the right way. And don't forget, please, we'll give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to step number 4. Market to the right people. Now now that you have got your product, you have got your product, you have got something people want, you need to get their attention, and this is very, very important. You see, effective marketing is not about shouting louder. It is about saying the right thing to the right person. It is about speaking clearly and directly to the people in pain. You see, now you have to ask yourself this question: who is struggling with this problem right now? That means you have to identify your target audience or your target customer who is struggling with this problem right now. Number two, understand their fears, their desires, and daily struggles. Number three, what are they thinking or feeling or Googling at 2 a.m. in the night trying to find a solution? And number four, craft messages that speak directly to their pain, speak their language. I'll give you an example or a few examples. Number one, instead of saying we offer business coaching, why don't you say, are you tired of working 60 hours a week and still feeling broke? Let us fix that for you. Again, you don't say we offer scalable, solutions. Why don't you say, are you tired of wasting hours switching between apps? We can fix that for you. You see, marketing is a message. So make it personal. Step number 5, sell with confidence. You've got the attention now. You've got it. Now what? You need to close the deal. And that means selling outcomes and not futures. Selling is not about pressure. You don't need to put people under pressure. It is not about being slick or manipulative. Not at all. It is about believing in what you have built and clearly showing how it helps, how it can bring transformation. You see, people don't buy futures, they buy results. They don't care about your AI-powered dashboard. Not at all. You see, they care that it saves them about 3 hours in a day or 4 or 5 hours. It saves them time. So be proud of your offer. Speak with conviction. Show them the transformation and not the tool. You see, confidence is the key here. If you don't believe in your offer, neither will people will they believe in your offer. Step number 6, scale smart. Once your business is profitable and predictable, it is time to scale. You've got the momentum now. It is time to grow. You see, scaling isn't about more customers, more ads, more noises. No, not at all. Where scaling is about more structure. It is about more structure. It means increasing capacity without sacrificing quality. I say it again. It means increasing capacity without sacrificing quality. So in this regard, you have to ask yourself, can I automate this? Can I hire someone to take this off my plate? Can I partner instead of building everything myself? Can I launch into new markets? You see, here is the golden rule. Don't scale chaos. First, perfect the system, then multiply it. Okay, my friend. Now I give you my final thoughts. Building a profitable business isn't about luck. It's not about it is about solving problems, selling solutions, and doing so at scale. Building a profitable business takes courage. It takes grit, my friend. If you're doing it solo or doing it alone, it takes even more heart to do that. So here is the truth. The road is hard, but the map is clear. It is not easy, but I can assure you it is doable if you stick to the fundamentals. And let me recap the fundamentals for you. Here is your roadmap again. Number 1, identify a real pain. Number 2, create a real solution. Number 3, validate the market. Number 4, market to the right people. Number 5, sell with confidence. And number 6, scale with systems. You don't need to have it all figured out today. So don't be scared. Just one step, and then another step, and then another step. Because every business you admire started exactly where you are right now. One person, one idea, one decision to start. The only difference between you and them, or them and you, is that they didn't stop. So my friend, you have to keep going. You have to build, to solve problems, sell to serve, and grow with systems. So are you ready for more? If you're ready for more, there are other videos that will be showing on the screen shortly. One of them, I'll tell you about one of them, is how to feel the fear and then launch and still succeed. And the other video is, about the simple mindset shift that builds unstoppable high performance. So please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and put on the notification and share your story in the comment section below, and I would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, and bye for now.